This is Sam. He wants to easily find a clearing course that's right for him. Bring in the Complete University Guide's Clearing Course Search. Our Clearing Course Search will show you what courses are available. Use the filters to personalise your search and find your perfect fit. Enter your UCAS points to filter the results and find which unis have courses for you, or use our calculator to easily convert your grades to points. Once you've entered your UCAS points, you can see your chances of being accepted onto the courses. Next, filter your results by university, location, as well as course type and qualification to get more personal results. You can also discover what your chosen universities are doing in response to the coronavirus pandemic. Use our Clearing Course Chooser to find your perfect course.